ladies, welcome back to another episode of Get Classy with you. It's still your girl again, Blessing. Welcome back to this channel where we're so passionate about your skin wellness, your skin beauty, and how you can get a scintillating skin. In today's episode, I'm going to be discussing the lotion. So this lotion really is one that is trending, and I just want to tell you my own honest opinion. So it's going to be like a review on the 3 variants of this body lotion. So you don't want to skip any part of this video. You want to stick to the very end so that you gain all the information you need about this body lotion. And if you're just joining us for the very first time, you're welcome. On this channel, we're all about your skin wellness. If you're looking for a place to learn how to do your skin routine in order to get the best of skin, this is your must-be channel. You don't want to miss out any of our videos. We drop videos every week, so click on the notification bell, subscribe, so that when we upload video, you'll be the very first to be notified. Now girls, let's quickly dive into it. So which body lotion am I reviewing today, girl? It is no other than the Secret Beauty Injection Body Lotion. So this one has 3 variants. It has one that is in the black bottle, it has one that is in the gold bottle, and then it has one that is in the orange bottle, right? These are the 3 variants. And if you've been following all this manufacturer and their trend, from the color of the bottle, you're supposed to know the ingredient that is major in that body lotion. If you've been following all my reviews, I always talk about all variants of body lotion if I'm talking on any. So from the color of the bottle, by now you should know which bottle contains which ingredient. So the very first one I'll be starting from today is the one in the orange bottle, and this one is the Secret Beauty Gluta plus collagen plus C. So that means it has gluta C and collagen. The manufacturer claims that it is 100% super collagen, and it is pure whitening and glowing beauty milk lotion. It has extracts of gluta C up to 1500 cc, and it has vitamin C, and manufacturer claims it is hydroquinone free. So girl, this particular lotion comes in a 500 ml bottle. It is super whitening. Now this particular body lotion really is a banger for people who want to lighten up their skin. I am not capping, it lightens very well. It is a small luxury kind of body lotion. So if you're looking for a kind of luxury body milk and you don't have the money to go for all those Mikari and the expensive ones and Frashos Pardon, if you don't have money for all those, then this is one that is very affordable. It's retailing less than 10k or slightly above 10k, so it does the work for you. This one has vitamin C, it is very hydrating, and it is for lightening. Now all these variants of this body lotion, girl, are for people who are looking to lighten their skin. So if you are not in that category, please, this video is not for you. Look out for my other video where I talk about brightening product, but this one is strictly skin lightening. If you're looking to get 2-3 shades over time, it's not going to be oshaprapra, but over time you will see the result of using this body lotion. Now the next one on this same brand is the one in the yellow bottle. So this one has glutathione white. This one has 100% white glutathione. So the main ingredient in this is glutathione or glutathione, and it is also a strong whitening milk. It has up to 150 grams of gluta injection, and it is also hydroquinone free. Now the manufacturer claims that all these body lotions, they don't have hydroquinone in them. They are all 500 ml. So this one, the major ingredient is glutathione, and you know what glutathione does, right? It is an exfoliant. It is also a brightening and whitening ingredient. It helps with hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and it also helps to clear or fade your dark marks. So if you are having dark knuckles, dark feet, dark elbows, you want to go for this. This will clean your skin and take out all those unevenness. Now to the very last one, because I don't want this video to be very long, it's this one in the black bottle. And girl, can you guess what is the ingredient or name for the black bottle? Yeah, sure, you did got it right. Anything black bottle we know is half cast, right? Half cast. This is the Secret Beauty Injection Gluta plus glutathione, and this one is 100% super collagen. This is also known as the half cast whitening body milk, right? This one has collagen and glutathione as the main ingredient. Now this one is also hydroquinone free, and it has up to 2000 milligram or 2000 cc of glutathione. And we know that glutathione, either in powder form or Filipino powder, they are all lightening agents or lightening ingredients. So girl, all these 3 body lotions or body milk are lightening body milk, and you want to use them safely. For me, I would say use them only at night. If you must use them during the day, then you should stay away as much as possible from the sun. Wear your sunscreen, non-negotiable, and then use a lot of hydrating serums or toners, yeah, to augment and get the best result from this. You don't want to just be using this product alone without a hydrating serum or hydrating toner or hydrating essence or even a hydrating moisturizer to mix in or fill in the gap. That way you get the best result from them. And to also get the best result from product like this, you need to get a very good body wash or shower gel to help exfoliate the residue that this product will be bringing up to the topmost layer of your skin. And then finally, girl, when using this product, you don't want to use it for a very long time. Use like 2 bottles, take a break, come back to it. That's the best way to get result. Don't use the product for the longest of time. No, always do what we call cream or lotion holiday at times. It helps to it helps your skin to rest and restore itself again. Yeah, now if you've used any of this product, let us know in the comment section. How did it work for you? Tell us the price in your location if you purchased it, because I know that the price varies depending on where you are getting it from. And do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on our videos. Until I come your way next time, girl, don't forget to drink plenty of water, wear your sunscreen, and keep glowing, because you are a gem, you're a beauty. Ciao.